Hey, good morning, Michael. Stephen Dooley with G2RP Automotive. Just want to get you a quick video of the Avalanche behind me, see what you think. All right, I'll just do a quick walk around of the exterior real quick. Here's the interior. Go ahead and jump in and start it up for you. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and start the engine up for you. All right, Michael, hope you liked the video. Please let us know if you have any questions or if you would like any more information on the Avalanche, or just let us know when you want to schedule an appointment. Look forward to hearing back from you. Thanks a lot.